If you're having issues starting your first generation Nissan Titan, Armada, or QX56, where it won't crank the first few times you turn the key on, then the solution may be as simple as cleaning the electrical contacts on the ignition switch. This switch is located underneath the dash, directly behind the lock cylinder. The tools you need for this job are a stubby Phillips head screwdriver, a small slotted screwdriver, some dielectric grease, a paper towel, a nylon brush or old toothbrush, and some electrical parts cleaner. Get started by unplugging the wiring harness, then removing the 2 Phillips head screws holding the switch in place. Gently slide the switch out of the housing. If you'd prefer to replace the switch rather than clean it, I'll include a link in the description below. Using the slotted screwdriver, gently unclip the 3 tabs holding the 2 halves together. Then open it up and see if there's any burn areas or corrosion inside. Using an electrical parts cleaner and a paper towel, clean all the contacts inside the switch. I found it was also helpful to use a nylon brush to get all the residue out. On the other half, these 2 rings can be removed to make cleaning easier. They also have tabs to make sure that they're lined up properly when reinstalling. Before reassembling the switch, apply some dielectric grease to the contacts, spread it around. The point of this grease is both to lubricate the switch for smooth operation, as well as prevent future corrosion. To reassemble, line up both halves and push together, making sure that all 3 clips are fully engaged. Before reinstalling in the truck, use the slotted screwdriver to operate the switch a few times, to spread the grease around and make sure everything functions smoothly, then turn it counterclockwise prior to installing in the truck. Underneath the dash, slide it back inside the housing, then reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws and plug in the connector. Finally, crank it up, and hopefully from now on, it'll crank the first time, every time. Hope I was able to help you with this video. Don't forget to click the like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and check out my Titan playlist for more Nissan Titan related videos.